welcome to my Twilight open house. Tonight we have a live band, some wonderful food and drinks. So why don't you have a step right in here and come check out this beautiful home.
I am enjoying everything about this home. The trimmings, the food that they put in out, the drinks that they have laid out before us, as well as the music in the background. It's amazing. So if you're looking to have someone come out and represent you, you gotta see Tanya Bamberg. She does not miss a detail. She's all about the focus. It's all about you. It's all about families coming in and seeing the home.
Amazing open house here with Tanya. They should be charging a cover charge to get in here. There's a jazz band, there's snacks, it's amazing, and the house is unbelievable. The kitchen, I've never seen anything like it. Marble and breakfast nooks built in, amazing. Great place.